Hello everyone, I'm Denise, and today I am just thrilled to be able to tell you that we are offering Ralph Lauren's vintage Adriana Floral King Comforter and also the King Sheet Set. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous design. And let's just take a really quick look at this. Kind of like an English garden on a beige background. But let's take a look at what this set is all about. And let's start with the comforter. This is a 100% cotton comforter. It's a king, as I mentioned, and I have the camera tipped down here so that you're able to really see how absolutely gorgeous this comforter is. It is really, really, truly beautiful. This is a heavy comforter, so if you're looking for some warmth along with beauty, this is the comforter for you. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's warm. It is in perfect condition. All right, and let's now talk about the matching pillowcases. And we have 4, and I'm double checking my measurements. Yeah, it is 38 inches long, and about 18 inches wide. And there are actually 4 of these. I have 2 in the pillowcases, and then the other ones are loose, but these are really, really beautiful as well. Okay, and finally, here are the sheets. I have a picture, which I'll show you right now, of the king sheet, which is on the edge of the bed setup that we had, and it will fit up to 21, maybe even to 23-inch drop of a mattress. So this is a big sheet for a big mattress. Now this is the beautiful flat sheet, and these sheets are 450 count sateen. These are very, very nice sheets. I really can't say enough about how beautiful these sheets are. And here we are. Let me get the other pillowcases. And this is the full set. 4 pillowcases, a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and a comforter, all in king size.